All right, guys, it's the beginning of 2025, and let's face it, we already know what the fuck's going to happen. Robots are going to be everywhere. And when I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. You're going to walk outside one day and see those Amazon delivery droids casually rolling down the sidewalk like, "What's up?" And you're gonna think, wasn't this just a job for a regular dude yesterday? The craziest part? This shit is moving so fast, it's honestly getting hard to keep up with. We've got drones in the sky, mysterious orbs floating around like something out of a sci-fi movie, and now, AI girlfriends stealing the damn spotlight. Yes, fam, AI girlfriends. We've officially hit that stage of the game. Shit's getting wild, and honestly, it's only going to get more wicked. But hey, I'm not here to make this all doom and gloom, or turn it into some kind of world-ending event. Life is what you make of it, and honestly, I believe there's a silver lining here. At the end of the day, convenience is luxury, and these robots, if used the right way, can actually make life a whole lot better. Let's be real, I don't feel like doing my laundry every fucking day. Sweeping, mopping, vacuuming, ain't nobody got time for that. That's why I treated myself to a robo-vacuum for Christmas. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. So, while shit's definitely getting wicked, there's plenty good in all this new AI tech if we're ready to embrace it. Just be prepared, guys. Think ahead, stay aware, and use these tools to make life better for yourselves. The future is happening fast. Let's make sure we're ready for it. Subscribe to Synced Bridges for more awesome tech news and reviews.